Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Roman lip product video. I know you guys really enjoyed my last one, so I thought I would do another one. So this time I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of their liquid lipsticks as well as 3 of their bullet lipsticks. And this video is also in collaboration with YesStyle. So thank you so much to YesStyle for sending me these products. I will link all of them in the description box below, so definitely go check them out if you guys, like the colors I'm showing you today. If you're interested in lipsticks and Roman, then please continue watching. I have another pink box filled with the lip products that I'm going to be showing you guys, and lots of good products, so definitely stay tuned. They're all so pretty. I feel like the liquid lipstick packaging is a lot better than the juicy lasting tints and the lasting water tints. It's kind of I feel like it's made of better material. Also, by the way guys, this is all first impressions, so So the first color I have to show you guys is the Roman Zero Velvet Tint in the shade 16 Burny Nude. And the packaging is really nice. The top here is this really cute kind of nudie peach color, and the font matches the product color in the tube. So I'm gonna swatch it. So that's what Burny Nude looks like on my hands. I'm just gonna go put some on my lips because yeah, it's so pretty, guys. I'm actually obsessed with this color. First color, and it's gorgeous. I've tried a lot of liquid lipsticks, but this line of lip product is actually so good. This is actually my first time trying out the Zero Velvet tints. It literally feels like nothing on my lips, guys. It's so light and airy. This really reminds me of a color, one of my favorite colors in the shade 3CE. This is in the shade Going Right. I'll probably swatch this for you guys later, or I'll swatch it for you guys right now. It really reminds me of this color. So that, oh, oopsies. Okay, I guess Style Nanda is a little bit more orangey, and then Burny Nude is a little bit more reddish, but you get it. It's kind of similar. I love the first color so much I don't even want to take it off. Okay, I'm going to take this color off and we'll go into the next color. I don't know, I think I got a bunch of colors from different collections because that one was the nude cap, and then I have a bunch of these gray ones, which, oh my gosh, they're so pretty, and then these ones are the colored caps. Let's just do all of these ones first. This is in the shade 02 Joyful. It's also a Zero Velvet tint. It's got the gray caps. Again, I'll link everything in the description, so do not worry. Wow, this is a really pigmented color. Good luck to my lips today. They're gonna be so stained, but I love these textures. They're really nice. Guys, this is so nice. Just a really perfect bright red lipstick shade. It's perfect for the summer. I think this type of lip just instantly makes your complexion and your skin tone look a lot better. It's a warm tone red. Definitely check out Roman's Zero Velvet Tint in the shade 02 Joyful. If you guys want to look a little bit paler, this color is perfect because it's look at how pale it makes you look. This is in the shade Witty. It's also part of their Zero Velvet Tint collection. Guys, why am I obsessed with every single color? These colors all look different on my hand, but I feel when I put it on my lips, they all look kind of similar, but that's what this one looks like in the shade Witty. So this is Witty. It is literally so bright. It looks a bit neon in camera, but in real life it doesn't look this neon. It's a beautiful brick red color. I feel this is a really beautiful color, summer transitioning into fall, because it's got a little bit more maple leaf color in it. Yes, this is the color and it's gorgeous. All these colors are so nice. Let me know which one's your favorite down below. Pick and choose whichever color suits your skin tone the best. I just feel it blurs out your lips and just it feels like nothing. I just had to go do something really quickly, so I just rushed back up the stairs. This is in the shade 06 Deep Soul, and it's just as you can see, it's a lot darker than the previous two. So that is the color right there. How should I describe it? It's a 牛血色. Yeah, a burgundy. I'm gonna put it on. I feel this is gonna be so dark and hard to remove. Let's just put it on. I think it's beautiful though. Okay guys, so this is in the shade Deep Soul. It is really dark. Beautiful color if you guys love those intimidating dark red burgundy colors for the fall and winter. This is definitely a fall or winter color. Really great for making your complexion look a lot brighter, enhancing your skin color. This, as opposed to not wearing any lip color, is just a complete different look. I feel people who are into fashion and into dressing cool should get this color because it's very suitable. Okay, let's move on to the next colors. Oh my gosh, look at how stained my lips are. So these are the next 3 colors. These are also Zero Velvet tints. Like the caps are different, so it's definitely part of another collection. I'm so sorry guys, like I don't know. Oh my gosh, so unprofessional. I don't know what collection these are a part of. But so the first one I'm gonna try on is in the shade number 14, Pecan Tart. This one looks a little bit more like berry color. Kind of reminds me of Max Stay Curious, a little bit more pinky. So that's what the color looks like. Oh, this is gonna be gorgeous for the summer, I think. Like a strawberry color. A lot more cool tone than all the other colors. So I'm gonna go put it on right now. Okay, so this is in the color Pecan Tart. It's like a really nice summery color. A lot of the previous ones that I've showed you guys, I feel like are really suitable for the fall and winter. I feel like this color is very suitable for the summertime. It's very bright. I don't think I need to talk anymore about the pigmentation, the texture, the formula of these products, of the Zero Velvet tints, because I've talked about it enough in this video, I bet. But makes your teeth look white, your skin super glowy, dewy, healthy. Beautiful. Next color. Let's swatch number 19, Earl Grey Shawl. They're starting to look really similar. So this is the shade Earl Grey Shawl. Like the texture, it blends out so well. Definitely my type of color. Very similar to my favorite 3C Going Right, dark coral maybe. If I were to choose like favorites out of the ones that I've swatched so far, it's definitely gonna be Burning Nude and Earl Grey Shawl. Just absolutely amazing. I love it. Also guys, like I'm kind of into numbers with 19 because, you know, I am born on like the 19th, the date. I love 19. I also really like the Romand Juicy Lasting Tint in the shade Almond Rose in shade 19. So yeah, I really like their 19 line. So yeah, this is a beautiful color, and now I understand why the hype for this color is really big, because if I do go on Xiaohongshu and like look at this line, then this color is definitely the most popular. So, you know, I understand why a lot of people like this color. It just looks really great. It just really satisfies my skin tone and just makes me feel good. It's not too like in your face as some of the other colors. So I think that's really perfect for an everyday color. Let's move on to number, I forgot. Guys, my lips like officially are stained. Yeah, so this is in the shade number 20, Berry Knits. This looks pretty dark. Let's see how it is. So that's what it looks like right there, this humongous patch of lipstick right here. So this is in the shade Berry Knit. Definitely a beautiful dark like cranberry winter color. I feel like all of these colors would be so beautiful for the holidays, for Christmas, for New Year's, Chinese New Year. I feel like I keep reiterating how good the texture of these products are, but they're genuinely just worth trying. Like you could just try one and see how it is, and you know, if you're addicted, then go and buy more, because honestly, I feel like you can't go wrong with any of their colors. I'm going to move on to 3 of these lipsticks. I'm not sure what collection these are called. Okay, so I have 02, 03, and 13 to show you guys. Let's go with 02 first. So this is what it looks like. So cute. It has like an and, if you can see. Yeah, so this is in the shade 02. Let's swatch it. These seem a lot easier to remove than the Zero Velvets. I'm instantly obsessed with this color. This texture is so light compared to the Zero Velvet tints. Obviously no shade to the Zero Velvet tints, because I think they're all like beautiful and the texture is amazing compared to like other brands with liquid lipsticks. But this texture is so light, guys. This literally feels like, if we're talking about lipstick textures, like I love the MAC Powder Kiss lipsticks, but I feel like this texture is even better than the MAC Powder Kiss lipsticks. They're just so nice, guys. And this packaging, like, are you kidding me? If you guys want me to do like a full review on this line of lipstick, then let me know in the comments. So that is in the shade 02. If you guys have not tried out this line yet and you want like a starter color, if you will, 02 from Romand. This line of lipstick is gorgeous. Let's try on the last 2. This is in the shade 03. Looks like this. Also got the little like and, you know what I'm saying? So that's what the color looks like. So gorgeous. I'm just obsessed, guys. I'm so obsessed. It's so pretty. This is in the shade 03. So this color, as you can see, is a lot more red and deeper than the one that I just tried on in 02. Also, I want to say how like easy it is to apply the color with this lipstick, because the like the actual lipstick is very thin. These thinner lipsticks are a lot easier to apply than the thicker, like the fatter bullet lipsticks, you know what I'm saying? Making no sense, but this is in the shade 03. Last color, guys. So this is in the shade 13. It is a very bright red. So let's just swatch it. You like my swatch, guys? I literally drew out a heart for you guys. Does that look like a heart? Okay, that's the color. It's like a strawberry red. This is the last color in the shade 13. This color is like very wearable for every day. So if you do like to wear red colors on a daily basis, then I recommend trying out the Roman kind of lipsticks, the Roman lipsticks in the shade 13. They have like a complete red line. I'm pretty sure, so there's definitely like a red color for everybody. Also, I've been loving this blush. I got a backup from YesStyle. This is the 3CE Style Nanda Rose Beige Blush. It's so pretty. I talked about it in my favorites video, so definitely check that video out. But this is the most beautiful, like natural coral blush there is on the market. Well, that I've tried. I love it. The texture is amazing. You guys know I love 3CE. So if you guys want a beautiful coral color for the spring, well, now summer, then definitely check out 3CE Rose Beige, beautiful, natural, rosy coral beige color, like the name. I'm gonna remove this color now. I'm going to put on 3CE Going Right and we'll end the video. One of my favorite everyday colors, 3CE Going Right. So these are all the colors I have to show you guys today. So many good products. Any color that really caught your attention, go check it out. I have all of them linked in the description box below. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I actually had so much fun filming it. Although my lips are really dry right now and kind of hurt, not really. Thank you so much to YesStyle for sending me all these beautiful products. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, which is always linked in the description box below. Follow me on those. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.